Hi, Yana.
Hi! Ano ba yung Simba?
Good morning. Ngayon ay pupunta kami sa park.
A?
Magpapainit.
Simba?
Hey, baby.
Ano chocolate Simba? Simba. Like,
Lalakad kami mga 3 signal bago makarating doon. Nakago, nakago. Ang lakas ng hangin. Malapit na kami sa park. It's so windy.
where am I?
I don't know where you are. Look at my baby. Ooh. Baby malamig. Lakas ng hangin, malamig-lamig ang hangin. Ngayon ay 10:45 na. Ang baon namin ay for lunch na. Ayan, mga paboritong flowers ni Liana. Kapag taglamig na dito sa UAE, makikita mo na yung mga flowers na ganyan. Iba-ibang kulay. May pink, purple, white, red, yellow. Yan. Pati ang mga bougainvillea. Ang gaganda ng bulaklak. Dito kami madalas sa Formal Park kasi ito yung pinakamalapit. Sa kabilang daan doon, dagat na yon. I think baby is heavy na. Ha? You're heavy na.
I'm not heavy. You're on.
Nagdadala lang kami ng stroller kasi may mga gamit kami na hindi naman pwedeng buhatin lang. So, dala-dala pa namin yung stroller kahit malaki na si Eliana. Nano, daddy? Awa. Ayan ang Formal Park. Dito kapag winter, naglalagay sila ng mga extrang CR, ayun, for public. Kasi ang daming taong namamasyal pag winter. Standby sa park. Ito yung maze. Mamaya papasukin natin yan. So dito kami pupwesto. Yan. Diyan. Kasi malapit siya sa playground. Si Eliana maglalaro mamaya. O yun o, may mga nag-iihaw. Marami ng tao banda doon. Yan. Dito kami, yan. Yan, maglatag lang kami ng banig para makatambay kami hanggang mamaya. Hold it, anak, hold it. I'll put this one down, just wait. want to go there in the maze?
Never ever.
Never ever.
Because you get trapped.
Where?
In the maze. Yeah.
Don't go like that, your shoes will get dirty.
Come here. Let me fix your shoes. Uy! Hi guys, nandito na kami sa park. Natambay-tambay muna. May dala kaming food for lunch. Yung ibang tao patating pa lang. Si Eliana excited nang mag-play. Ang dami nag-iihaw dun. Yung ibang tao padating pa lang. Wala si Adriel. Only Eliana playing. Oh, see?
Mommy, guess what time I will put. Mommy, guess.
Sige.
Yes, yes,
3. Put the arrow 3.
Wow.
No, you have to rotate it. Oh, let me see. Oh, see?
Eight.
Oh, you guess what's the next?
Maybe it's gonna be number 1.
My guess is 11.
Number 1.
Oh, 2. Maybe it got Sira, that's why they removed it. Yeah. Before there are 2 swing here. 1 they removed it. Only 1. Got pawis na? Oh, fold it. Dati si iting nagaraya na.
Put it there.
Did you eat
Kaya nagbaon lang kami ng fried rice, tapos may egg. Merong fried chicken na tira kagabi. May extra kaming tuna.
Did you call me tutut?
Yeah, yan na put-put. We will eat na. Tapos may dala kaming kunting chichirya. Ito binili ko sa Biba.
Wow.
2.29. Ewan ko anong lasa. Soft drink siya pero
Mommy took lime in the market
Flavored.
because there's a big queue.
lemon and lime.
Mommy, when mommy's buying the drink, mommy was taking long time because there was a big queue.
Yeah, it's a long queue.
How many person
Yung
are
ibang
there?
tao padating pa lang. Kahit hanggang mamaya tayo niya. Ito yung ating ulam.
Wait, can you read this?
Charan! Meron kaming tuyo. Naku. Dito ayaw nila amoy ng tuyo. Eh, nasa open area naman. Sa tuyo, merong egg sa baba.
Chicken.
And fried rice. Garlic fried rice. You have to eat more.
Okay.
Kakain muna kami. Manganta mo. Say manganta mo.
Mangkatamo.
Mangan.
Manang.
Ma.
Ma.
Ngan.
Na.
Manganta mo.
Manang tayo.
Let's eat na mo. Let's eat.
Let's eat.
Let's eat, guys.
Let's eat, guys.
Kakain muna kami.
Abay mo, mommy. Hello. We're at the park. We're eating. Got chicken, egg, and fish. You use her hand with rubber gloves.
No, plastic only.
Plastic gloves.
You make pindot on and off. There. Wait. Later.
I just ran through the camera. Oh my god!
Why? Why you have too much delicious ulam?
I don't know. You cook that. Those are junk food. Fine, the egg is not junk food. The fish is not junk food. The chicken is junk food.
No, we cook it.
Huh?
Now
Mom,
we cook the
Mom,
chicken.
look behind you.
Why?
Look. Look behind you. Look behind you. They look so happy. Yeah. Now you got the best spot.
All our best spot.
Eh?
Kain tayo.
But I'm the best.
Kain tayo mga ka-diet.
Baga. Diet pop.
May dala akong kape.
Hi guys.
Oh, you talk to them.
Hi. I need a green ball. Hello.
Where are you there? You
I'm in the park
here.
and I'm picnicking.
picnic. Daddy, you say something.
Hi guys.
Mga
I'm
tamo.
hungry.
Daddy is
Daddy,
gutom.
Daddy's
Maraming gutom.
Wait, Daddy is so hungry because he's have a big belly.
Dito po, Saturday, Sunday off namin. Si Eliana walang pasok.
Don't tell me that.
Kaya nakakagala kami ng ganito. Pero hindi lagi. Hindi naman rin tuyo.
Buhay.
Ito dapat yung breakfast namin sa bahay. Dito na namin kinain. It's supposed to be our breakfast at home. But you want to go in the park, so we've just bought it.
Yeah. Oh my god, snack right there.
Dapat pinipipenta kami.
Oh my god.
Ababaw ba?
Oh mommy, look behind you. There's a bring a car.
Oo. Tapos na kaming kumain. May baon na rin akong kape. Si Daddy nag-soft drinks. Eliana, don't step there. Aray, kapali. Kape. Anong oras na? Nagdadatingan na yung ibang tao. Yung iba hapon talaga lumalabas. Tapos hanggang gabi na sila. Kapag taglamig lang naman ganito, pag summer, hindi ka talaga makakastay sa labas. Ganitong oras, puro madalas Pilipino ang mga nagpipiknik. Sa gabi, hindi man lahi. Nag-iihaw sila.
The grass is definitely around.
Maganda talaga sa park na to, yung mag-iihaw ka, tapos dito kakainin. Kaso, mas maraming preparation pag ganun. So kami, pag wala sa plano, yung food sa bahay, dadalhin na lang dito.
I don't like.
Pag si Eliana para makalaro-laro. Eliana, you play mo only? You play only, Ana?
Yeah, not food.
Ay, nanong enough food. You have to finish your food. Ay, we will not go back na if you don't finish your food.
Even this half,
Or you eat more, then daddy will finish the rest.
you promise. If I eat more, then Daddy.
Bilisan mo.
Mom, stop! It's what's in your shoe.
Oh, it's okay.
Get the next one in there.
I have a baby, my baby Bobo. She's still eating. I love you.
Mama,
Show it to daddy.
Don't need that top paper.
Show it din. Show it. Show your no-nose din. Oh. Pasaway yung baby ngayon. You want to go there in the maze?
no.
You go with mommy.
No, you're gonna get stuck.
No, why?
Get out of the way.
Ikaw na nga sa lingulo na. Busog ne, higa na.
Come, Mom, I'll do makeup on you.
Oh, sige.
Can I pretend? To make me not dirty, I will put this on. So I don't be dirty. Mommy,
How you gonna put makeup on me? You cannot see me. There is no hole.
I can see one.
You do like this. Charan!
Get the next one, Eliana.
Done.
I will massage you.
No,
I'll put your makeup.
No. I will have a baby.
We will play Pitik Bulag. Oh, you show there. Cover your eyes.
No, you do it first.
Oh, sige, mommy will do.
Ready?
I didn't feel it. Okay, you lose.
How do
Your turn.
you do that?
Oh. No. No. Again. Ah! You got me! Your turn, your turn. How did you do that?
I don't know.
Only one. My turn.
That's not fair.
Why? You have to use other fingers.
Ready?
Oops. Oh. Close. No, it's not correct. No.
Not
No. What? You got it. You got it. Why you change it? Yeah, that's the correct one.
Yeah, I would.
My turn. You have to use other fingers. Snap.
Okay.
Oh, see, they race.
Should we race later? We can race later. Mom, I saw a video that that people said what is this because they have a juice with a straw. They put their finger and cannot get it out, and they got crazy of getting it out. He said when he's holding the drink with a straw in it, he said, "What is this?" And then he said,
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, you will drink water, mommy will drink this one.
Okay.
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 Don't count. You just say, you just do it, okay? Don't count.
Alright, okay?
Make it faster. Oh, 9. Should be 9. How many did you count?
9.
Nah, why it's like that? Drink. You lose.
No!
Drink little. Oh, sige.
That's really good.
Okay, faster. How to make it faster?
I don't like to play this. I got on red eye.
Oh, sige. What is your idea?
So, we first clap together, and then clap.
How?
So, first put your hand here, and
Up
Clap.
here?
then by your own, and clap. This is what I was playing in class with my friends. Because when we were playing
Oh,
this,
and then what?
and then whoever do 2 claps, they have to drink water, and the one who just do the first one got to drink this.
What is the rule? Only counting 1? Let's try. Try first. Try. Let me see.
Okay, so when you first do it, so the end is like this. So put a clap first, then put like this, and then clap the same, and then put and then clap. Okay?
Again, Lulu, do it. Let me see.
Like that.
And then,
So let's clap.
only like that?
Yeah.
Again and again, again?
Yes.
Oh, what is the rule of the game?
Okay, so when I say stop, then if you move a little bit, then you have to drink water. If you don't move a little bit, then you have to drink juice.
Okay, we will see.
Okay, ready?
Mm.
Clap. Stop. Let's go. Stop.
So I lose?
Yeah?
Is it like that?
Yeah, when I said stop and you just moved it.
So punishment, I will drink this juice?
No!
What's
water.
that?
Water.
Only water?
Yeah, if I'm straightening up, then I have to drink
I
juice.
thought I can drink juice, no?
Well, there's nothing ahead. I have to keep this in my back.
Oh, oh, dali.
Okay, let's go. Okay?
I think I want the pitik bulag.
Oh, I don't like it.
Yours is not ano. I don't know when to lose. Oh, dali. Oh, when to lose or
Wait, you first. Always you first, okay?
Why don't you change the first one?
Because I only have to do that.
Oh, sige,
You
oh.
hurt my
Oh,
hand.
come here, come here. Oh, your turn. Close your eyes. No, cover your eyes. Why you get that? How did you get that? How did you get that?
I don't know.
Oh, again, my turn. Your turn. You lost it. Why don't you
Get
use
the
the
feet,
other?
get the feet, get the feet, get the feet.
Ah, when we go Philippines, we will buy garter. I will teach you Chinese garter and jackstones.
I hate them.
Oh, you don't even know that yet. I will teach you.
I know something.
Oh, sige.
Let's make a forge.
How? A little bit. Mainit na kasi doon. Lumipat kami dito sa kabila ng pool.
We were there before now we're here. With the trees covering us.
Yeah, and Eliana is eating again.
I'm hungry.
Because you don't eat properly. Yan. You didn't finish your lunch. No, you only eat little.
No, I haven't.
Yan, kapag chocolate, yan, kapag snack, she likes it. Ngayon ay 2:15 na ng hapon dito. Yung ibang mga namasyal o sinuwi na, pero yung iba padating pa lang. Yung mga aabutan ng gabi, mamaya, padating pa lang, mag-iihaw sila. Ganyan lang naman ang parang libangan namin dito pag weekend. Or kapag taglamig, pag mainit kasi hindi pwede. Hindi ka pwedeng magstay sa labas. So pag taglamig na ganito, sinasamantala ng mga tao.
Can you open this more, Mom?
Pag labas-labas, pag stay sa labas, yung mga bata nakakapaglaro, hindi mainit. Kagaya nito, kain ng kain. What you gonna do after?
I don't know.
Nagising na rin si Daddy. Punta siya sa CR. Ang CR ay banda dun pa. Doon sa may likuran ng...
In the toilet.
Oh. Careful. You love it?
Hi, Dad. Dad, I'm eating the hello. Hey, Dad, where's my hat?
Nano, okay? Okay yung banyo? Ha? Okay yung banyo.
Basta hindi ka.
Kaya kayo kasi.
Alam ko hindi kaya.
Huli namin sa si Daddy, inoobo. Ay, malamig na kasi. Kahit sa loob ng kwarto, malamig. Sobrang lamig. Kasi hindi mo pwedeng patayin yung AC sa loob ng kwarto. Centralized kasi ang mga aircon dito. So, hindi mo siya pwedeng i-off. Kahit lamig na lamig ka na.
Hi, Dad.
Penga na nitong popcorn. Sana Mr. Chips kaya natin. Alam niya kung nasaan yung basurahan na yun. Dito, kapag inabot ka ng gabi, ayan, may mga ilaw naman yan. So, talagang yung iba kasi nag-iihaw hanggang gabi. Yan, tambay-tambay. Doon ang ihawan. Ayun.
Hi, guys. Dad. Dad.
May mga place lang na pwedeng mag-ihaw. Hindi pwedeng kung saan mo gusto, doon ka mag-iihaw. Halimbawa kami, nandito kami sa isang spot. Hindi pwedeng dito ka lang mag-ihaw. Bawal kasi nasisira yung grass.
No, tonight. Stay here by my side. Now you on my side.
Lakas mo.
When it's falling off. One more time. I need you now by my side. sorry, don't leave me. I want you here with me. I know that your love is gone.
You tell that.
I can't breathe. Sorry, I know this means a day. Don't tell me that your love is gone. That your love is gone.
Other song naman. Yay!
I
Eliana loves
know this,
to
I
sing.
know this, I know
Oh,
this.
sige.
I just wanna be a part of your symphony. Would you hold me down and not let go? I don't know the other lyrics.
Oh, you sing other naman.
Well,
Other
my
song.
phone, how I can spell Mamma Mia.
Oh, Mamma Mia.
Well, it's
You
on my.
need the phone.
I need to spell it.
You don't have internet.
No, I just have. Where is it? Since I know when.
And I don't know when.
I've been changing my mind and I know when. Look at me now, I will never learn. I don't know how. When I suddenly lose control, there's a fire in my soul. Just one looking now a narrow way. One more looking now a narrow way. Oh, Mamma Mia, here I go again.
Dance.
My, how can I resist you?
Dance.
Mamma Mia, now real low. My, how can I let you go? Yes, I'm broken hearted, rude, accidentally hearted. My, here I wanna let you go. Mamma Mia, now I really know. My, action, I'll let you go.
Keep smiling. Dali. Dali. Next time we will bring karaoke. Keep smiling.
Marlon,
And
game
shining.
starts. Uppity, 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 uppity,
Ah.
uppity, 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 kissy day, kissy day. I started to say something real. Red hearts, Mona. Something I can do. Don't you call me when it's down to baby, don't you? And I need you now, see it more.
Hoy, tampyalong mga yan. Dali na. Tuloy tayo.
All you gotta do is
Siyang
just
baka yan.
let the
Hindi nga ba, pinractice mo lang din. O, dali na. Finish na?
Diana, you count like that.
Huh?
Like this. 1, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3.
Time. What is your chips? Chips time. Maya-maya, uuwi na kami. You get tired na?
Up in the window.
Sa kabila.
You get hungry in the way.
Bye-bye na kami, guys. We will walk later and we will go in the market. We will buy food for 1 week. Okay? Okay? This full day we are outside.
Mom, every day can we go in the park?
Not every day you have school. The weekend we can go in the park. If you wake up early, we will go every Saturday. We're going home now. We will go to the market first and we'll buy something to cook. And then we'll go home. Bye guys. See you next time. May formal park.